Hey y'all, it's your girl Leil, and we are back with a learning vlog this time, doing it a little different for y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I know I've been MIA. I was supposed to been uploading content more consistently, but y'all, your girl been going through some stuff, okay? One thing about that devil, he is always busy, but as the CEO of Bawdy by Leil, I wouldn't be true to myself or true to my brand if I didn't stop, take a second to breathe, be a warrior, not yield. And so, me even doing this video for y'all is my way of not yielding. I'm working, I'm keeping myself busy, I'm getting out of bed, I'm staying out my field. So, per. Now, rewind a little bit. In the beginning of this video, y'all saw me using my US cutter to cut the vinyl. Now, don't judge me for using my little scalpel to cut out the vinyl. I didn't feel like going downstairs to get in the scissors. Oh well, y'all, I'm lazy. But, it does what it does. So, at the end of the day, y'all are seeing me peel the vinyl. This particular type of vinyl has to be mirrored. So literally, once I put this flat on the cloth, I don't have to worry about transferring it to any other surface. As y'all can see, I'm turning it around. That's how it's gonna look placed on the shirt. Now I am weeding the X Leil that y'all saw me cutting over it on the US cutter. Now, all of these materials that I'm using, y'all, I got either off of Amazon or Marketplace on Facebook. I am big on buying used if you can, because it'll save you a lot of money in the run. Even down to this heat press, I got it off of Marketplace. I got that in the cutter as a bundle deal. A lot of people ask me, how can I get blank shirts? Where can I start? Jiffy Print Shirts, JiffyShirts.com is where I go and get my blank shirts. You can also go to your local Michaels. They have Gildan and other brands available. But yeah, from experience, Gildan, Bella Canvas, are like my top two go-to choices when it comes to quality t-shirts. What else? Oh, y'all about to see me fold this shirt. So a couple of Amazon needs that I would highly recommend. So that paper that y'all see me taking out of the heat press to protect the vinyl. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. That was bought off of Amazon. This folder that I'm using was also purchased off of Amazon, in case you want to, have your folds all neat and all that good stuff. These postcards that I have, they have like washing tips and discount codes and just a thank you note from me. I designed them myself using Adobe Illustrator, and then I got them printed off of Vistaprint.com. They're highly recommended for any type of business cards or business needs, for real, for real. Poly Miller bags from Amazon also. This scale that y'all are about to see, I got from Walmart. It's literally a kitchen scale, but you can purchase a shipping scale from there or Amazon. Not too much, y'all. Don't do me. I understand my table is not cleaned off, but whenever I did this, I was not even thinking about that. I was just trying to get this shirt to this man. But anyway, dang, what else I want to tell y'all? Oh, my bags, Amazon, my vinyl I get from Amazon and 95 Vinyl in Fayetteville. And another thing, Nobody Hustles Harder is still available on Apple Podcasts and Spotify. So y'all stream, stream, stream. Support your girl, help your girl out. I do want to continue doing this, but I also need more entrepreneurs and more people who are into building brands or even just grinding and creating generational wealth. I need more people in the community to reach out and just help me, expand and share your stories. Like, y'all, it really just comes down to us just helping each other out. I'm all for sharing what I know. I'm not a gatekeeper. I promise y'all, it's all love, and I want to see everybody win. So at the end of the day, if y'all have more questions, please comment below. If y'all need me to do an episode where I'm like talking or showing y'all around my office, let me know. I need suggestions. Like, I don't really know where to start. So yeah, peace.